here, One Nation presents, look here, the International Comedy Showdown. It's gonna be a showdown. Fiddle, for real. Big ups to the people who put it on the show. Philadelphia, make sure you walk out and be there. Grand Maracus Ballroom in Philadelphia, going to be crazy. Johnny Daley going to be there. Who else going to be there? Torre and Chanel. Them coming like, it's too close. That's too close in companies they call comedians, right? Also going to be there is Richard Van der Poel. He's not under the pool. Him, Van der Poel, that's his name, right? Van der Poel. And also Tommy Josie, the oldest man in the world. Tommy, how come you're still alive? He's going to be on the show as well, along with me, cracking you up. Yes, I'm back. I have to take my medicine. So, people, make sure you come out to the ballroom. That's the Grand Maracus. That's the name of it, right? The Maracus. You have to say it and roll it. The Maracus. Like a Burungi, Maracus. Oh, alright. So that's the deal. Maracus, Grand Maracus Ballroom in Philadelphia. Come out for the show. It's going to be crazy. And, can I hold on? They're not going to let me through the airport. They're not going to let me through. I see it now. They're going to let me through. 29th of March, make sure they let me through the airport. I'll be there. Come enjoy yourself. Come back. Look here. They're not going to let me through the airport. In the ballroom, make sure you're there. Hold on.